Hi friends, let me show you this new toy that I got for my pets. You can put some treats inside and give it to them so they will play like a regular ball, but it's a ball that is going to give them some treats. So I think they will enjoy it very much. Let's try it. We are going to use a sausage as a treat. Okay. Suppose they have to be like small pieces so they will come out of the ball. So let's try it. Okay, let's see how it goes. As you can see, he's trying to get something out of the ball. So I think it's going to give him, you know, ven, ven. They have to find a way. So you can give your dogs some playtime and getting out some treats. Perfect.